Hello, dear students. Very warm welcome to all of you at our conceptual brainstorming integrated session of the anatomy. So, right now we are going to focus for the topic of ear. Yes, again, it is very important topic for our ear, nose, throat subject, otolaryngology subject ENT. So, first of all, we are going to look this ear structure. In this image, you can see that sound waves are coming from the outer side. They are concentrated, they are focused towards the external acoustic meatus. Then this sound wave hits eardrum, you can say tympanic membrane. Then vibration passes through the MIS. You can remember the ear ossicle with the mnemonic MIS, malleus, incus, stapes. So sound wave they are passing through the malleus, incus, and then stapes. This stapes is hitting the cochlea portion. You can see the snail-like structure, yes, cochlea, which is having the vestibular apparatus also. So, from the cochlear portion, the cochlear nerve is stimulated, which is carrying the auditory impulses to the brain cortex area. Remember, vestibular nerve that is carrying the vestibular portion, vestibular apparatus sensation, which is responsible for the equilibrium. Okay, what I want to tell you that vestibular nerve, it is responsible for the sensation of equilibrium. Auditory nerve is responsible for the hearing. So both the nerves unites together and forms the vestibulocochlear nerve. So this is the structure. So first of all, we are getting the idea how this our ear is formed. Yes, actually the ear, it is having the three components. Yes, what are the three components? External ear, then middle ear, and then internal ear. Agree everyone? Okay. Yes, external ear, again you can divide this external ear into the two parts. What are the different two parts? One is our pinna and another is external auditory canal. This pinna also you can say this is auricle, while the external acoustic external auditory canal, in short we will use the term EAC. It is also known as external auditory meatus. So we will use the short term EAM also. Okay, external auditory canal, external auditory meatus. Now further, step by step, internal ear, it is having the two different parts. We will see this internal ear in detail in mechanism of hearing and mechanism of equilibrium. But few points, internal ear, it is having the two parts. One is our cochlear part, cochlear apparatus you can say, and another is vestibular apparatus you can say. Getting the point? Now further, cochlear apparatus, it is making the cochlear nerve. Vestibular apparatus, it is giving rise to the vestibular nerve. Further things that both the nerves unite and forms vestibulocochlear nerve, also known as eighth cranial nerve. Okay, so one by one, what are the important points about our ear? So first we are going to talk, yes, about our external ear. Yes, here we are going to talk about our external ear. This external ear, you can say our ex- first auricle, and then second is external acoustic meatus. So structure of the auricle, just one basic. Yes. What is the auricle? This auricle is part of external ear which is seen from surface. Okay. Now see here, its maximum part made up of single crumpled plate of the elastic cartilage. Yes, it is made by the our elastic cartilage. Crumpled plate of elastic cartilage. Forget this thing. What you have to remember, it is made up of elastic cartilage. MCQ. Important. Yes. What it is doing? It is supporting the spectacles. Okay. So you can remember that चश्मा पहनने में ये हमको मदद करता है. Fine. Now try to understand what are the different parts you can observe in ear. The outward turning portion, outermost part. Yes, this is our helix, and at the lower portion there is no presence of the cartilage. It is loaded with the fat. That is the lobule helix. Now again try to understand, just in opposite direction of this helix another curved portion is running. So this is our anti-helix. Yes sir, it is easy. Helix, and you can remember anti-helix together. Now this all the structures are having arm like structure. तो इसका जो आर्म जैसा पोर्शन है, हाथ जैसा पोर्शन है, we are saying the our helix crus. Yes sir, this is our helix crus.